Hi, my name is David Conley, and I work for the Huntington District of the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers in Huntington, West Virginia. I am the Deputy Chief of Design Branch. And the question that was presented was, how does the military use STEM? That's a big question. And according to the website dodstem.us, the Department of Defense is the largest employer of scientists and engineers in the nation. They perform work that directly supports our soldiers, sailors, airmen, and Marines. On this website, they also list many of the STEM career fields that looking for and also for scholarship opportunities. So please go check out this website for more information about the military as a whole. Now, I can address how the Huntington District of the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers uses STEM. We are part of the Army, but we are almost all civilians. Our mission can be thought of as a federal water resource agency that happens to be run by the U.S. Army. One of our primary mission is called flood damage reduction, and in West Virginia, flooding is a very big issue. One of the ways we prevent or minimize the damage caused by flooding is by building and maintaining large dams. These dams are built to capture the floodwaters and hold them, and then we release the water after the rivers have started to go back down. And some examples of these are Bluestone, Summersville, and there are many other large dams throughout the state. If we cannot prevent the flooding by capturing the storm water in one of these structures, then we can build flood walls or levees around communities to protect them from the rising rivers. And examples of this is in Huntington, Parkersburg, Matewan, Williamson. A second primary mission for the Corps of Engineers is to facilitate the movement of river traffic by building and maintaining locks and dams along the major rivers, like the Kanawha, Ohio, and Monongahela rivers. These projects create a river highway that allows year-round river navigation. Some examples of these are Marmet, Winfield, R.C. Byrd lock and dams. What STEM disciplines does the Huntington District use? As you can see from this table, we require many different STEM disciplines to come together to design, build, and construct our large projects. There are always very complex and challenging problems that have to get resolved. Typically, these teams include the following STEM disciplines as shown on the table. As you can see, there are a wide variety of engineering and scientific disciplines. And it also includes their technicians that are needed to support the engineers and scientists to be able to design these projects. Each bring their specialty to the mix, and we need all of the disciplines in order to make a successful project. So how does a high school student prepare themselves to enter one of these STEM fields? Well, you've heard it before. Take all the math and science classes you can. Take all the advanced college prep classes you can. And for those going to college, I want to stress that it's a lot easier to learn these harder classes in high school than it is in the fast-paced college environment. It will also make your freshman year a little bit easier because you will already know many of the concepts and principles that you will be learning in college. That is why I and everybody else is stressing to you to take these classes now in high school. Do you have to go to college? No. But it will limit your ability to get into certain STEM fields and will limit your future job opportunities. A certificate from a VOTEC school or a 2-year associate degree in fields like drafting, computer programming, or electronics are helpful. I've been an engineer for almost 40 years and I'm still having a blast in these fields. It's a very fun job to go in and solve problems. So it's a very rewarding career. I hope this helps and answers the question. I want to thank you for listening and good luck in whatever you decide to do. Take care.